Okay, check out this sweet one that just arrived. It's a 2018 Ford Fusion. This is unique and one of the rare ones because it's a 2018, but it's only got 38,000 miles on it. A local couple here just traded it in, picked up a new Honda Civic. This particular car has got super low miles. It's got lots of features. It has leather interior, navigation, alloy wheels. But again, the best part about it is it only has 38,000 miles on it. Four-door sedan, automatic, great fuel economy, great reliability. They made a lot of these. It's a staple for Ford. They did really well with the Fusion. This car goes through a 182-point inspection. We check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Fluids, filters, tires, brakes, everything is up to specification. We back it with a 90-day warranty. That's 3 months, 3,000 miles, covers everything pretty much bumper to bumper. It comes with 2 sets of keys, all the books, the records, CARFAX report, and we also give you 2 years worth of oil changes and tire rotations. So 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations. Here at Victory Honda of Plymouth, rest assured you're getting a quality pre-owned vehicle. Let me show you the inside. Real quick, the miles, 38,140. There's the navigation system. Comes with both sets of keys. They're right here, both sets of keys. This one has a remote start on it. Also, there's your transmission, the drive selector right there in the middle. Heated seats, leather, professionally detailed inside and out. Come check it out today, Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Or give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one's going home with somebody soon. Thanks.